Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet a very particular scarf. As you can see, there are three different types of yarn in this scarf. I used a very particular yarn, trio. This yarn combines three different materials: lurex, a fine eyelash yarn and soft mohair yarn. This project is quick and very easy to do, so it's perfect for beginner, and with the holidays on the way, they also make a thoughtful and very original handmade gift to give to your friends and family. So let's get started. For this project I use one skein of trio from Mondial, and you can find more information in the description box, and I use a 6mm hook. Okay, now we are going to start with the width of the scarf, so chain 25. Okay, now we do one double crochet in the third chain from hook, and we continue to do one double crochet in each chain down the row. Okay, now chain 1, then turn the garment over. Then we do one double crochet in this very first stitch. Then we do one double crochet in each stitch down the row. And continue to do this until we reach the next yarn. As you can see, the lurex part is being inserted, so if you prefer to have a clean strips like me, you will have to cut the yarn at the end of the row. So now I'm back a little bit until the last double crochet. So now don't complete this last double crochet and insert the new type of yarn. Then continue to do one double crochet in each stitch down the row. So chain 1, then we turn the garment over, and now we do one double crochet in each stitch. So what we have to do now is continue to do this until we reach the length about 184 centimeters. Okay, now my scarf is 184 centimeters long, and before proceeding I want to show you how beautiful and very original this scarf is. And now we are going to create a nice finish in each end of the scarf. Here I have the last eyelash, and I'm going to make 5 rows of simple double crochet in each hand. Okay, now grab your tapestry needle, then weave the tails inside the scarf. Okay, the trio scarf is now complete and ready to wear. It's warm, very soft, and very quick to do, so I love it. And you can find 8 different colors of this yarn. As you can see, they are all beautiful, and of course we will make other crochet projects soon with this original yarn. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your trio scarf. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Grazie and tanto love.